Hello, my name is Quentin Selby. I'm a park ranger here at Henderson Beach State Park, and today we're going to talk about camping. We do just about everything there is to do here at the park. We do land management here. We keep all the buildings up, neat and tidy. We manage the campgrounds. We educate our visitors. We have little programs that we can put on for school groups here to educate them about the local wildlife, about the ecosystems, and always about our nesting sea turtles. Items you may need to go camping. I personally like to keep it nice and simple. I like to just have a nice, easy little pop-up tent and a couple of chairs. That's about all I need to get away and get back to nature. Every campsite here has access to water, electricity, clothesline in case you want to, hang up some swimsuits after spending the day out on the beach. We have a fire ring for campfires at night, or even your own little picnic table so you can just kind of sit back and relax. My favorite things to do while camping here is I like to take in the beach, either laying out, catching some sun, or going some fishing. There is a variety of bird life that you can spot here. So great variety of shorebirds, nesting shorebirds, or even some kind of kestrels, or you might even watch an osprey hunt. We have a variety of rabbits, coyotes, small ones, and we also have a small bobcat that roams around the park sometimes, so you might be lucky to catch a sight of him roaming around. Safety is our #1 priority here, so when checking in for camping, staff will let you know if there are any burn bans in effect at the park. Also, on your way down to the beach, we do have flags and signage indicating the surf conditions out in the Gulf of Mexico. We want everyone to stay safe, and we want everyone to get home safely. Another thing for camping wise is try to keep your campsite nice and clean, keep all food items in sealed containers, and just keep your campsite just looking pristine.